classic chicken and potato curry. Elevate your culinary expertise with this simple and flavoursome curry that deserves a place in your recipe repertoire. Follow along in this video to delve into the art of crafting this quick and delightful dish. Welcome to Bomawala Kitchen. Let's commence by tenderly marinating a skinless chicken. Immerse the poultry in a medley of enticing spices. 2 tablespoons of fragrant curry powder, 2 tablespoons of the aromatic Dhanya Jeera blend, a tablespoon of salt, a teaspoon of the vibrant red Kashmiri chili powder, and a tablespoon each of meticulously crafted garlic and ginger paste. Give this amalgamation a thorough mix, noting that there's no necessity for prolonged marination. The spices will work their magic efficiently. Transitioning to the cooking pan, introduce 1 tablespoon of ghee, accompanied by a 1/4 cup of oil. Gradually elevate the heat to medium, incorporating 2 finely chopped medium onions into the sizzling oils. Sauté these onions until they attain a state of delightful translucence, a process taking approximately 5 minutes. Now let's infuse the preparation with an assortment of captivating aromatics. A small cinnamon stick, a teaspoon of green cardamom, and a pinch each of cloves and black pepper. Allow these spices to dance harmoniously for 2 minutes. Don't overlook the introduction of 4 green chilies, introducing a subtle heat while the Kashmiri red chili powder imparts its brilliant color without overwhelming spiciness. Incorporate the marinated chicken into this symphony of flavors, sautéing for a judicious 5 minutes until the poultry attains a captivating golden hue, ensuring a harmonious fusion of spices. Further enrich the medley by adding a bunch of fresh coriander, skillfully chopped, including the flavorful stalks. Immerse yourself in the culinary symphony, allowing the amalgamation to simmer and intensify for an additional 5 minutes. Now, introduce 400 grams of baby potatoes. If convenience permits, the tinned variety is an efficient choice, facilitating an effortless incorporation into the vibrant concoction. Infuse the ensemble with 1½ cups of water, ensuring a thorough mix. Bring the contents to a gentle boil. Affix the lid securely, and allow the curry to gently simmer on low heat for an extended period of 45 minutes. Behold, your culinary creation is complete. A quick and delectable chicken and potato curry that tantalizes the taste buds. Culminate the dish with the addition of fresh curry leaves. While traditionally paired with rice, this curry also complements naan exquisitely. Delight in this light yet flavorful curry, suitable for regular indulgence. Thank you for partaking in this culinary journey. I trust you relished the experience and are inspired to recreate this dish soon. Your support in the form of likes, shares with family and friends, and subscriptions is immensely appreciated. Happy cooking!